The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is about to shake up the world of compact cameras. And the leaks are wild. From massive spec upgrades to a release date that's closer than you think, this could be the biggest leap we've seen in the Osmo Pocket lineup. Let's dive into everything we know so far. DJI seems to be taking a new direction with the rumored design of the Osmo Pocket 4. Unlike earlier models that stuck to a similar shape and size, the Pocket 4 is expected to be slightly bigger and heavier, around 190 grams. But this change isn't just for looks. The extra space is likely there to support a much better screen. Leaks suggest the Pocket 4 will have a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, replacing the 2-inch screen from the Pocket 3. It's not just larger, it's also expected to be brighter and sharper, with a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels and up to 800 nits of brightness. This should make it much easier to see the screen outdoors in bright light, which is a big help for creators who often shoot outside. DJI is also rumored to be improving how the camera feels to hold. With a better grip, new textures, and easier-to-use buttons, the Pocket 4 could be more comfortable for long shoots or one-handed use. Ideal for vloggers and mobile filmmakers. Inside, big upgrades are expected too. The Pocket 4 might come with a new 1-inch sensor and a 20mm f2.0 lens, promising sharper, clearer videos and better low-light performance. And with features like 10-bit color, D-Log-M, and HDR, this camera could offer more cinematic video and flexibility for editing later. Among the most compelling developments surrounding the rumored Osmo Pocket 4 is its potential leap in video performance. While the Pocket 3 already set a high bar with 4K at 120 frames per second, current leaks hint at something even more ambitious. 4K recording at an astonishing 240 frames per second. If this proves accurate, DJI isn't just iterating. It's redefining what creators can expect from a camera that fits in the palm of your hand. The expanded frame rate capability would allow for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage at a quality level previously reserved for much larger, more expensive gear. When paired with the expected 1-inch sensor and revamped color pipeline, this opens new creative ground. Under the hood, these advanced features demand serious processing power, and DJI seems to be delivering. The Pocket 4 is expected to run on a newly designed, more powerful processor. This wouldn't just enable high frame rate recording. It would also support real-time HDR previews, accelerated computational photography, and an overall smoother user experience. For on-the-go creators with tight turnaround times, that kind of speed is invaluable. It means fewer slowdowns, quicker exports, and more time spent shooting, not waiting. Equally important is how the camera handles focus. Historically, autofocus has been a limitation for Osmo Pocket models. But the Pocket 4 is rumored to be addressing this head-on with phase detection autofocus and sophisticated eye-tracking technology. These advancements could allow the camera to more reliably lock onto moving subjects and maintain sharpness throughout dynamic shots. For solo creators, especially those working without a second operator, this could translate into a dramatic reduction in missed moments or soft footage. And then there's ActiveTrack 7.0, DJI's latest evolution in intelligent subject tracking. This version is expected to be faster, more responsive, and more context-aware than ever before. Combined with facial and eye tracking, this system could bring an entirely new level of autonomy to the camera, allowing it to anticipate subject movement and adjust accordingly. For vloggers, filmmakers, or content creators who film themselves in motion, this could effectively remove the need for a cameraman altogether. Power, efficiency, and heat management are often overlooked in compact cameras, yet they can be the defining factors in a tool's reliability, and DJI seems to recognize this with the Osmo Pocket 4. Early reports suggest a smarter power management system designed not only to handle the increased demands of a brighter display and upgraded processor, but to do so without compromising on runtime. If true, this marks a thoughtful step toward making the Pocket 4 more dependable in real-world shooting conditions. DJI is also expected to improve fast charging with the Osmo Pocket 4. According to leaks, it might be able to fully charge in just 25 minutes using DJI's special PD charger. That's faster than the Pocket 3, which took about 32 minutes. For creators who are always on the move, this could mean less waiting and more time filming. Perfect for quick shoots or switching locations fast. Another big improvement might be how the camera handles heat. Shooting in high resolution or slow motion can cause small cameras to overheat, sometimes forcing them to shut down. But the Pocket 4 is rumored to have better cooling built in, which could help it run longer without overheating. This would be great for recording events, interviews, or travel videos where you can't afford to miss important moments. Stabilization, something DJI is famous for, also seems to be getting better. The Pocket 4 is expected to combine its mechanical 3-axis gimbal with smarter electronic stabilization. This hybrid system should keep your footage super smooth, even when you're moving quickly or shooting in rough conditions. Altogether, these upgrades make the Pocket 4 look like a tougher, more powerful tool for content creators. It's rumored to launch at $699, with a creator combo around $799. Higher than the Pocket 3, but likely worth it for those who need reliable performance. As for when it's coming out, if DJI sticks to its usual schedule, we might see it hit the market in late 2026 or early 2027. This extended development cycle could be a strategic move, one that aligns with the increasingly demanding expectations of creators. With so many rumored features on the table, from a larger, high-brightness rotating display to an advanced autofocus system, enhanced color processing, and 4K at 240 frames per second, DJI appears to be aiming for more than just an iterative update. It's positioning the Pocket 4 as a serious contender in the world of mobile cinematography. If even a portion of these leaks materialize, the Pocket 4 could mark a pivotal shift in how we think about ultra-portable camera gear. It wouldn't just be an upgrade, it could redefine the category altogether, bringing features traditionally reserved for larger systems into a truly compact form. That kind of innovation takes time, and perhaps the delay isn't a drawback, but a sign of depth and ambition in the product's design. The bigger question, of course, is whether the final product will live up to the buzz. Based on the scale of the rumored improvements, the revamped ergonomics, professional-grade sensor, advanced tracking capabilities, and hybrid stabilization, there's reason to believe that DJI is aiming to meet the growing needs of hybrid creators who want power, portability, and polish in one device. For vloggers, travel documentarians, solo filmmakers, and anyone who values gear that can go anywhere without compromising quality, the Pocket 4 has the potential to become an essential tool. While we'll have to wait for official confirmation, DJI's track record suggests that patience may well be rewarded with one of the most exciting compact cameras the market has seen in years. Thanks for watching. If these leaks are anything to go by, the Osmo Pocket 4 could be DJI's most exciting release yet. What feature are you most hyped about? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any updates.